Namaste everyone. Myself Prakash Nayak, HOD of Automobile Engineering Department of Sri Vidyadiraj Polytechnic Kumta. I am here today to give a brief introduction of our department, that is Automobile Engineering. Our college, Sri Vidyadiraj Polytechnic Kumta, started in 1985 with initially 3 branches, that is mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electronics and communication engineering, having 35 years of existence as of today. Later on in 1987, computer science engineering came into existence, and lastly in 1992, that is our department automobile engineering was added with a intake approval of 30 students. From then onwards till today it has covered 28 years of existence. Myself Prakash Nayak took charge of this department in 2011. I have completed BE in Automobile Engineering from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar. That is after completion of Diploma in Automobile from the very same this institution. Along with me, there are a few more teaching and non-teaching staff. That is 2 lecturers who have completed BE, Bachelor of Engineering, and 2 instructors who have completed diploma. Our automobile department is coming under Board of Technical Education, Bengaluru, BTE, and it is also approved by AICT, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Our college is having separate spacious classrooms for our department and separate laboratories related to the lab requirements of concerned branch. In automobile department, we have automobile machine shop lab, automobile chassis and transmission lab, basic automobile workshop lab and automobile computer lab, and rest other lab like machine shop, basic workshop, MT, material testing and QC, quality control lab are shared with mechanical engineering department. For automobile students, we have drawing hall, a common library for all branches in which there are sufficient quantity of automobile related books. Every year we add new books by making a library budget for all 5 branches. In our college, we have NCC unit, NSS unit and Red Cross unit. Willing students can actively participate in these units. In the curriculum, we have total of 6 semesters divided into 3 years. That is 2 semesters in 1 year. In a semester, there is theory as well as practical subjects. Apart from curriculum, there is co-curricular activities we celebrate like national festivals, Independence Day, Constitution Day, Republic Day and various other Jayantis are also conducted in our college. Cultural programs like Establishment Day, Engineers Day, Annual Social Gathering and Sports Day is also organized. The students who secure prizes in college sports are sent to state level sports every year, and we have 1 or 2 students getting medals in state level every year. About industrial visit, our students go to industrial visit every year locally as well as to the capital of the state, that is Bengaluru, as well as Mysuru, to get vast manufacturing industrial experience. About our department alumnus, our department passed out students have settled in various metropolitan cities of our country, as well as in Arab countries, United States, United Kingdom. Our department students have also started their own business, as well as placed in government jobs like RTO, brake inspector, and in KSRTC. 4 years back, in 2016 year, our Goa alumnus had arranged a get-together in Ravindra Bhavan, Margao, Goa, which was attended by more than 150 students, in which 25 more automobile students had attended, in which few are placed in Goa government jobs, that is brake inspector, RTO, and so on. About facilities in our college, there is hostel facility for boys as well as girls separately, canteen for them, playground facility, and our campus is very nearer to the Kumta railway station as well as Kumta new bus stand. About scholarships, various scholarships are given to our automobile students on annual social gathering day, as well as AICT sponsored scholarships like Pragati, Saksham, NPS, and various others, which is filled online, and direct money is transferred to the student's bank account. About placement, every year there is a campus placement conducted in our college to final year students. Companies like Toyota Biddi, Bengaluru, Tafe, Tractor and Farm Equipment, Bengaluru, Scania, Bengaluru, RNS Motors, Bengaluru, Tata Motors, Bengaluru, Kakulo Motors, Goa, and many more visit our college and recruit our students. With this, I end my department introduction speech. Thank you.